Hi, my name is Tammy Barnes, and I am a social media manager at PwC. One of the biggest challenges that marketers face with AI is not knowing how to fully embrace it with their day-to-day work. A lot of people see AI as something to be fearful of because they're not really sure how to utilize it, and they're afraid that it's going to replace them, when really it isn't. They should embrace it, become a digital native in utilizing AI, learning the ins and out of it and how it can really transform their work. Some of the opportunities that marketers can think about when utilizing AI is how it can enhance productivity for them and their teams, how it can build upon the creativity that they're coming up with in their team meetings and things like that. So, utilizing it as a plus and as a co-producer of great content instead of seeing it as something negative.